So, Matt, this may end up being our appetizer storm for us in the high country and throughout much of the country, much of the state, because I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here, Matt, looking like a winter wonderland.
That's interesting to hear, Chris, because this storm was pretty significant in the high country. You know, it started yesterday afternoon, but then really picked up steam last night and left a significant amount of snow on the ground. In our continuing series this morning of things covered in snow, we're looking at these trash cans. We've shown all sorts of stuff. Look at these things. Take a slice of this trash can here for you. 15 inches of snow covering things here. The coolest trash can you're gonna find anywhere in the state right now is right there. And then let's pan this camera around and just show you some more stuff. Look at everyone out. Gonna go a little quick for you, but look at people out for a walk here because it is a winter wonderland. Yesterday there wasn't any snow on the ground here in Frisco, and now it's like Hallmark moved in and just turned it into a movie set for one of their movies. The front end loaders are out in full force clearing all the side roads here in Frisco after already working to clear the main roads. And this is going to be a big snowstorm for the ski areas that are open. Arapahoe Basin, Keystone are open right now, and they've done very well, probably a foot of snow out of this. The next ski areas up will be Breckenridge and Copper Mountain. We know Copper Mountain close to 2 feet of snow from this storm, and so these ski areas are going to open up on Friday with some great conditions, maybe the best conditions that we've seen so far. People way down there shoveling, hard work today. And so a great snowstorm. You can see that the roads are still icy, slick, and snowpacked. That's what you're going to see out on I-70 as well, especially those higher elevation passes, which are in much better condition than they were last night, where they were closed, Vail Pass and the Eisenhower Tunnel, for hours overnight when this storm was really ramping up, but much better conditions, and now it just looks beautiful. Erica, not too bad on the roads, but people definitely going to want to slow down if they're going in or out of the mountains because it is slick, and a good reminder to slow down in the winter.